Good morning, everyone. My name is Mariahen Magdarao, your presenter for today. Now I will discuss the dressmaking NC2 workshop sample layout that I made. Now let's start with discussing the sample layout. Now, the legend I use is basic competency for yellow, common competency for green, and core competency for light blue. And now I'm discussing the layout that I made. Uh, I use some color for for example, uh, the practical work area. I use sky blue and green for the common competency core because this is uh, the way that the NC2 that will make the practical make most uh, knowledgeable, and then uh, most of them will be skillful and build their quality to improve their practical work. And then I used to connect this practical work to the contextual learning area because based for me, this is dapat most of them are uh, magkasama lang sa isang room with a wall na lang. Linagyan ko siya ng wall to indicate the tools and na kailangan for the practical, and then the other part, the whiteboard for the lecturing, and then practical demonstration for the teachers or the instructor that will be teaching them, or the professional trainer. And then the next is the learning resources area. I use the yellow and green for the basic and common because this is their uh, module, and then other sources for making this dressmaking. And then also I use the layout that always be cover these two, contextual and practical work, para mas madali nilang makuha yung mga details na kailangan nila, and then mapadali yung pagpunta nila dito para di na sila masyadong mahirapan. And then I put some the all about computer laboratory and then distance learning area. I use more computers for them because this 21st century, most of the student and then the learner or the trainer, uh, common na sila in this computer kasi more on computer technology na tayo today. Kaya dinagdagan ko yung computer para sa mga trainees. And then para magamit nila for the distance learning area, para for e-learning communication with the other instructor or other trainer for them. And then I put the institutional assessment area next to the practical work area. Based on my uh, layout, I suggest that this institutional assessment area dapat connected siya to the practical area para um, ma-maximize yung equality of these two, because based in learning and then to practical, and then matetest na yung kanilang knowledge and yung skills nila about this dressmaking. Kaya dito ko linagay yung institutional assessment area para madali yung connection with these two, contextual and practical work area. And then the next of this is I use the quality control. Uh, I put it in the next to the institutional assessment because for me, uh, to control the quality of the dress or the making uh, dress or other casual apparel, kailangan dumaan muna sila for inspection for the uh, this quality control area para ma-satisfied or makuha natin yung tamang standard ng sukat, and then yung quality ng isang damit. And then next, I put yung trainer resources area. Medyo lumayo sa doon sa mga other equipment or other materials. Kasi binase ko dito sa layout ko, ginawa ko siyang dito sa may malapit sa entrance for the uh, for more space, kasi most of my layout na encourage yung display area for the support service area. Kasi kadalasan yung purchasing na yung packaging, and then to sell the product, I used to some windows for the other people that can see the quality of the dress that made by the trainers, to encourage them to buy and to, to sell it. And then in the part of the practical and contextual area, I put some support service area. This is the maintenance for the equipment, uh, sewing machine, like that, for example, para di na sila masyadong mahirapan for consulting for malfunction of the sewing machine. And then put the support service area another in the upper or the right side of the maintenance, because this is the part that also have a door for the exit. And then this is the area for washing clothes, and then finishing for packaging, and then until it put in the quality control also for the inspection also, and then for the quality checking. Para for the next, the quality control, kaya pinagtabi ko yung display area or the we call also support service, para makita yung quality, yung flow niya is pababa. But the training resources center, dito ko talaga siya linagay into the left side para magkaroon ng peaceful, parang magkaroon ng ah, hindi masyadong maingay na encounter to the practical and contextual. Para na rin sa mga trainees maging ah, doon lang sila nakapokus sa mga dapat nilang gawin. And then, yung mga CR, I put some in other side, 1 and 2 restroom for the trainees, and then for the instructor. And then I put some progress chart, and then achievement chart for the trainees in the outside of the institutional assessment, also in the learning area, for them to become uh, inspirable about these people that been having an achievement. And also not only to the people that already have achievement, but also to encourage other trainees to become successful also. And then I put some fire extinguisher, fire alarm, and fire uh, dito, first aid. I put this in the entrance, and then to the contextual also, and then to the exit in the practical uh, work area, para madali nilang makuha yung mga kailangan. And then, I also put an exit in the uh, contextual learning area, para meron din silang, hindi lang isa yung lalabasan nila, kundi madami. And then also put in the display area, meron din po doon other exit for the trainees. Kaya yung trainer resources center, front ko, para mas madali din makalabas din sila dito, kasi nasa entrance na sila. And then also I put some windows para merong and then aircon for the cloths, and then para mas maganda yung standard based on the iSearch in the internet. Mas goods daw po yung clothes for having an aircon kasi mas na papaganda yung quality ng dress, and then hindi siya masyadong for the yung gusot yung damit. Sabi na based on the internet I research. Also put some ventilation para lumabas din yung ah, mainit na part, yung parang ganun yung hindi lang puro aircon yung sobrang lamig kasi kailangan din ma-filter yung nasa loob na. Kaya naglagay din ako ng ventilation po. And then other other windows po to the uh, learning areas. Dito din sa computer laboratory naglagay din po ako ng windows and other side po. This display area, linagyan ko siya ng ah, tawag dito ng ah, salamin po for presentation, for encouraging other people to see what is being made by the uh, trainers, and to encourage them to become uh, sell it for their good quality they present and produce. And then that's all. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for listening to my discussion, and God bless you all. Thank you.